Hello everyone, so today we'll be taking Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. So from here, first of all, join your both foot together. We'll be standing into Samasthiti. When you join your both foot together, lift your kneecap, lift your thigh and tuck the tailbone slightly in. And then roll the shoulders, open up the chest, drop the shoulders down finally. The sternum, the sternum should get a good lift and try to separate that chest cage into two parts from the center. That is the sternum. And then drop the arms down, drop the shoulders down. Look straight in a line. The legs are alert. The trunk is alert. You are going towards the ceiling. That much you're getting that good lift in your spine. And then you're bringing your palms in front of your chest. Bend the knee. Jump and separate the legs apart. 4 feet would be good enough. 4 to 4.5. Now hold the waist and make sure your both foot are parallel to each other. Exactly, they are in a line with each other, not this. And then from there you are going to sharpening these area. The outer leg, the outer foot should be sharp, very sharp towards the floor. And then take the toes slightly, both toes slightly in, both toes slightly in. Good. And lift the inner arches, slight. So you are more focused on the outer foot. Do not clench the toe, open the toe, separate the toe. And then you are taking out your left foot out 90 degree. When you take out that 90 degree, at the same point of time, you need to move the knee out, you need to move the thigh out, work from the groin, open this area, get that good movement here. So it's not just you're moving this leg, you have to move it from the groin. And back leg should be sharp. As I mentioned, this should be sharp. The outer foot should be sharp and you are lifting the inner arches. And then you are bending the knee. Left knee bend. Good. And how much you are bending, that's important. You need to bend that much that the ankle, I should say heel, that would be more better. The heel and the knee should be in a line, 90 degree. And then this femur bone, the femur bone should be parallel to the mat, parallel to the floor. And then extend the arm to the side. Make this leg straight. Straight means the shin bone should be straight. And this leg is straight, sharpening this area. And then arms are elongating, lift the sternum, extended arms. Make sure you're moving this out. Make sure you're moving this out. So basically the more movement comes, you're getting that external rotation of the thigh, external movement of the pelvis. And then slowly, gently hold the waist. And you are coming back with the straight leg. Tuck the toe in. Extended arms again. Just one jump, come back, arm to the side. Good. I just want to show you from that side view what happens onto that leg. Jump and separate the legs. 4 feet apart, more open. Right foot out 90 degree, hold the waist. Good. Now what I'm saying here is, for going into Virabhadrasana 2, the one should understand that the thigh moves. How the thigh moves? Thigh moves from the groin. The groin area should move first. Then only the thigh will move. Then only the knee will move. Not taking foot is enough. No. So you move from here, move from here, and move from here naturally. And this you have done it already, 90 degree. Back foot alert. Open chest. So I just want to mention this. What maximum of you do is, maximum people What they do is take the toe in, quickly take that in. Now take it out 90 degree. Now when they take out to 90 degree, as you can see, the knee is popping in, the thigh is popping in. No, you have to move this, move out, move this out. So naturally when you are doing this action, you are alerting this leg. You are bringing awareness in this leg, and the back leg should be alert. Now from there, you give it a bend in the knee, and just watch what happens here. The hips start to pop out. Can you see this? No, move, move, move out. Naturally, the top of the femur will go inside the socket and this leg will be straight. So that's how the Virabhadrasana 2 should be done. Arm to the side. Stop doing this. No, take it in. And then do not go to this side. Be more on to this side. Then only you will be able to be in the center. Hold the waist. And then make the leg straight. Take the toe in. Extend your both arms up. Exhale, come back. And then face to the front side. Now, just watch one thing. Whenever you're doing Virabhadrasana, just the last point I want to take it, the most important. Jump and separate the legs apart. Arm to the sides. Virabhadrasana from the right side. Go to the position. Now, go more. Now, what happened here, usually maximum people, what they do is, they do something like this. No, avoid this. Right away. No. How you're going to control this? How you're going to understand this? It's like, have that internal feeling, internal action. Just think, I'm standing next to you and I'm pulling you. So naturally what happened, when someone is trying to pull you from this side, you are going to be in the center naturally. Okay, so that's how you should perform. And then inhalation, come up, jump and come back. Thank you everyone for watching Virabhadrasana 2 Warrior 2. I hope you have understood it. And next time do practice it and find the difference. And yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for my new upcoming videos. Thank you everyone. Namaste.